Hello, this is Clay with a sentence breakdown to help you understand Japanese sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary. This is for beginners, and let's get started now. This is a sentence from one of our Makoto Plus lessons, and members get this every single week. This is a beginner level sentence and an intermediate level sentence. Please consider being a member. Okay, so first let's listen to the sentence read by Yumi.
昨日は映画を見ました。途中で寝てしまいました。
One more time in slow speed.
昨日は映画を見ました。途中で寝てしまいました。
So this means, as you can see on the screen, yesterday I watched a movie and during it I fell asleep. Let's break this down. Kinou means yesterday. It could be written in kana. In fact, it's often written in kana. And the main reason for that is it could also be pronounced sakujitsu. Sakujitsu is more formal. You might see it in newspapers or in formal announcements and stuff. Kino is just more common, and therefore it is sometimes written in kana, but it can be written in kanji like here. So kino wa is the topic marker. It spotlights kino. We're talking about what happened yesterday. As for yesterday, okay, so we're talking about yesterday. What happened yesterday? Eiga means movie, motion picture. This right here, this first one means projection, and then this means picture. So projected picture, essentially. Wo is the direct object marker. So the direct object of the sentence is eiga. And mimashita, miru. It comes from miru, to see. This is the past polite, the mashita form, the past polite of miru. So mimashita. As for yesterday, movie as the direct object, saw. We understand we saw a movie yesterday. Tochuu means in the middle of the way or on the way. Some place between the beginning and the end. Now this is used here in reference to time, a temporal location between the beginning and the end, but it's also used with location. So for example, going to school, but tochuu de, you know, on the way or during the trip to the school, something happened. Tochuu de, so in the middle of it or during that time. Nete shimaimashita. So nete is the te form of neru. And neru means to sleep, of course. The te form here is used to combine this verb, neru, with shimaimashita, or shimao. This is the past tense past polite of shimao. Now, shimaimashita shows a completion of some act. And usually there is some sort of regret, unfortunately. So in this case, the person speaking saw a movie, but unfortunately, he or she fell asleep during it. So this is a very simple sentence, but full of very useful constructions as far as understanding the topic marker, the direct object marker, and using the te form and shimaimashita. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.